Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Sous Vide Extreme. Today, I am going to be doing some green beans and some chicken thighs. These are already seasoned up, ready to go, which I'm going to be doing my green beans first because it's at a higher temperature. It's at 183 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. You know, I've said in the previous video that go ahead after you vacuum seal your vegetables or your proteins and go ahead and date it, put what's in it and the temperature and how long you're going to cook it for. Now, if you're going to defrost it, then you do it as far as your cook time, as far as 1 hour. I've already defrosted some of this, and I'm going to do this for 1 hour. Now, if it was fully frozen, then I would go ahead and do this for 2 hours. And the same thing on your proteins. If it's, 1 hour, chicken thighs, this is going to be defrosted. This is going to be for like about 45 minutes. So, I'm going to go ahead and bring this over to Jewel. I've already got it up to temperature and drop it in. So, bring this camera up and bring Jewel up. And here we go. Temperature is at 183 degrees and it's trying to hook up to my Wi-Fi. There we go. So, we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up the container here. And then we're just going to go ahead and drop in our green beans. Just like so. Just like that. Push that down a little bit, and that's a wee bit hot. I'm always dropping something. There we go. Drop that in there like so. And sometimes you're going to get that where it just comes up. I have this little contraption. You just drop that down there like so, and that helps weigh everything down. Then we're going to just go ahead and drop. There we go. Temperature dropped down a little bit, like always. But it's going to go ahead and it's going to climb. So I'm not worried about that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set a temperature. Well, the temperature is at 183 degrees. Time-wise, I'm going to put an hour and a half on this because this was like defrosted a little bit. And there we go. And then we're going to go ahead and set that. There we go. And I'll be back in an hour and a half. And then we're going to get the temperature down for the chicken thighs. And I will see you then. Alright guys, welcome back. I went ahead and cut the green beans open. They were done. And I went ahead and put them in a bowl. And they look and taste fantastic. Alright. Now I'm up to temperature over here. We're going to go ahead and put our chicken in. And this is going to be for 149 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to drop these in there for 45 minutes. So they're in there. Take a look at that. There we go. Yep. Drop that lid on. And then we will go ahead and set See, there's where our 149 degrees, and then we're going to set our time for 45 minutes, and then we hit start, and there we go. We're on our way. And drop down a little bit in temp, but that'll be alright. Alright guys, I will see you in 45 minutes. Alright guys, it is ready to come out. Look at that, 149 degrees still. Look at that. Now, let's see, here we go. Look at that. Oh yeah. Here we go. Alright, here we go. We're going to go ahead and cut this open. And we're going to go ahead and pull one out. And cut one. Look at this. Oh yeah, that looks good. Fresh. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and cut this open. Yeah, look at that. That looks fantastic. Extremely juicy. So, let's go ahead, get some green beans in a plate. Cut some more of this. And we're going to put this on a plate. Wow, take a look at that. That looks fantastic. Look at this. Finger tender. That's awesome. And those green beans are awesome. Alright guys, I know that was a quick one, but hey, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell on the top so you can have future videos. I do thank you, and I'll check you on the next one.